It went great. We had a lot of public participation. It was a great chance for us to update everyone on where the landing project stands. And really, this is 4 to 5 years in the making, but we're right at the finish line where we're ready to bid out the first phase, start construction sometime in October. That's all the waterfront improvements, boardwalk, passive beach, seawall, living shoreline, parts of the stage. We can get all that done within about a 6-month period. And then we're hoping to bid each phase out one right after the other and try to have this thing done within a 12 to 18 month period. Yeah, the bowl, we call it the bowl because if you look at the aerial, it looks like the top of a toilet bowl. But that area is going to become, it's really flat already. We don't have to do a lot of grading, but there's going to be some steps where people can sit to hear the bands or just, watch the sunsets, you name it. On the Brook Street side, there's going to be an area where there'll be food trucks or places for food trucks during festivals and events. So that'll really become, right now it's not used as much, but we want the whole park to be used.
We had a lot of good engagement. Community came out. We had the city hall chambers packed out, very supportive of revitalizing and adding to our landing. The revitalization is going to include a splash pad, an amphitheater. This is so much more than just a splash pad and the amphitheater, but it's going to bring kids, it's going to bring grandkids, it's going to bring people to that landing that have never experienced it before, and hopefully attract that talent and keep that talent here in Fort Walton Beach. Yeah, our police chief as well as staff here is working on extending the submerged land lease so that we can be very proactive and protective on what blighted boats and blighted vessels that we are hoping to remove and hoping to clean up so that the taxpayers' dollars as well as the grants that we're getting for this project, we make sure we preserve and make sure we keep this environment at the landing as strong and as clean as possible. So again, Chief Robert Bage is doing an amazing job of making sure that we're very proactive on trying to eliminate any unnecessary traffic, any unnecessary energy that does not need to be around our kids, does not need to be around our grandkids, and making sure the splash pad, making sure the bathrooms, making sure everything is the most amazing culture, the most amazing environment that we can have.
This project has had a lot of momentum. Unfortunately, we had to wait a long time for permits and other things from agencies out of our reach, but we're to the point, everybody's excited. This is going to be a great project and one of the great projects to revitalize downtown.